Is localized sample logic manifest crashing because of the Hello World Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. As we get into the manual process for Hello World Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Hello World Library, frequently used as a test or placeholder library in programming tutorials and SDK installations. While not critical for system function, its presence in a commercial apps folder usually indicates a developer left testing files in the production build. If the app specifically calls it for a health check, its absence will cause a startup hang. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The Hello World Library DLL library is a specialized component of the Localized Sample Logic Manifest system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Hello World library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Hello World Library DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Hello World Library references. If Hello World Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.